Hello guys, are you tired of letting your plantains go to waste? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you a simple way to preserve them, and then we'll turn them into delicious plantain chips that you can enjoy anytime. So let's get started. To peel your plantains, simply cut off both ends. Then cut them into pieces if you prefer. Next, make a lengthwise slit in the skin and gently remove the peel. Once peeled, cut your plantains into thin slices. The thinner you slice your plantains, the crispier they will turn out when fried. So there are two ways you can preserve your plantains for later use. So you can either place the slices into a plastic bag in smaller quantities as I'm doing here, and you freeze them. That's it. Or you can also spread the plantain slices out on a baking sheet in a single layer. Place them in the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours until they are frozen. Once frozen, transfer them into a plastic bag or airtight container. So which method do you prefer? I personally love the first method because it's just so easy and stress-free. Let me know in the comments below which method you are going to try. And don't forget to hit that like button if you are enjoying this video. So when you are ready to make your chips, simply take out the desired amount of frozen plantain slices. You don't need to thaw them, just fry them straight from the freezer. So next, we'll heat up some oil in a pan. To test if our oil is hot enough, drop in a small piece of plantain. If it sizzles, your oil is ready. Carefully add the frozen plantain slices to the hot oil in batches. Don't overcrowd the pan. This ensures they fry evenly. Stir from time to time, and after a while, your plantain slices will start to separate. We will fry them until our chips are golden brown. Once they are done, transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. Let's fry the next batch. We will repeat the process. In the same way, all the frozen plantains in hot oil. Now the salt kakra apete so. Into benum from time to time, send your plantains now. And after a while, no be hunsane plantain chips now air separate one. Obenum from time to time until say uberi. Guys, if you love flavored plantain chips, then check out the cinnamon and garlic flavored plantain chips recipes. You will love them. The links are in the description box below. And there you have it. Crispy homemade plantain chips. It tastes so good. You will enjoy them. So you can store your chips in an airtight container. Thank you for watching. My name is Efua. If you try this recipe or have your own tips for preserving plantains, I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. And also, if you have any video suggestions, do leave them in the comment section. I'll check them out. See you in the next video.